Hello, and welcome to TekBoost TV. I'm Jaime, and today I'm going to show you how to install both powered and non-powered video cards into the Dell T5610 Workstation. Before beginning, we recommend checking with the manufacturer and ensuring the latest firmware is installed. For this installation, you may need a Phillips head screwdriver. Please check out the quick spec link in the description below to learn more about video card compatibility for the T5610. First, ensure your computer is powered off and the power cord is unplugged. Next, press and hold the power button until the white light is completely shut off to ensure there is no residual power remaining on the motherboard. We recommend going through this process with the workstation on its side to have better access to the system's interior, and we also highly recommend you check the manufacturer's system manual and comply with their recommended safety instructions. To open the system, lift the latch found on the side and remove the panel. Identify the blue latches holding the slot cover retainers in place and remove a cover by pinching the blue latch to release a slot cover. You can now install the video card. Press firmly down to ensure even alignment and a proper install. Some cards require power. You can connect a 6-pin power adapter as needed. Larger video cards can use the mounting bracket. In order to install the bracket, connect it to the end of the video card as shown. Ensure the screws tighten all the way, and once mounted, install according to the previous instructions, but ensure you align the bracket with the bracket slot in the computer system. Now you may reattach the panel. Please check out our how-to videos covering processor, memory, hard drive, and video card installation for this and other systems. If you found this helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. We welcome suggestions on how to make these more useful, so please don't be shy with requesting additional content.